How y'all doing tonight? All right. How are we feeling? Raise your hand if you're feeling hopeful about the future. Like 4 or 5 of you. Good. Excellent. That sets this up well. I hope by the end of this you're feeling more optimistic, my friends, because I believe that the more AI drives us, the more in-person craving we will have. And it is a perfect time to gather people and to be alive, because I think that the free time it's going to enable is going to enable us a lot of fun. Looking at less work culture is driving more social culture. So more communities are gathering, like Jillian is a pro expert at this. Many of you gather, like Brady with Ignite Talks. More and more social structure and culture, social clubs you will find. The decay of truth. Don't know who you're talking to. Don't know who you're emailing. Don't know if you should negotiate insurance online or walk down and be in person with your insurance agent. I think people are going to opt for that. They're going to love going to the real. You work. I'm human. I mean, come on. Who wants to sit at a computer all day long? I don't after 5 years trying to build a tech company, I'll tell you that. I want to be with people and let the robots work for us. Give us that free time back. And what will we do with that free time? I'll tell you what I'm not interested in. AI concerts. You want to go see Scumfrog over there, amazing DJ at an AI concert? I don't think so. You crave the fire. AI conferences. Go talk to robots, you know? How about me as a robot? I mean, I don't know, maybe. Trade show booths that are AI interactive, like networking. Let the robots do it. What about AI education? How many people in here would send their kids to a generated school where they're not going to get beat up by a bully on a playground? You learn a lot from getting beat up by a bully on a playground. So all of these things, AI film production, how many people would like to be Brad Pitt in Fight Club? No. I think we're going to find this to be a fad. It's going to be really interesting for a little bit, generating a movie for our own thing on Netflix. But then we're going to crave storytelling, being with each other. Holy wow, the metaverse. Remember that? Oh my God, I changed my entire real-life world to go build a digital platform because I believe that we need better tools to gather online. We need more humans online to be able to be interacting with each other. Nowhere.io, still running, stepping back from full-time because how many people have gone to a Zoom happy hour recently? Exactly. We don't want to gather online. We want to be here. We want to be breathing and smelling and sweating with each other. We tried everything with Nowhere. We tried concerts, conferences. We tried passion-based communities, education. We had some real successes. But at the end of the day, people loved it more than any other platform out there, they said, and then they never used it. So what's next? I've spent my whole life gathering people. And I'm wondering, what is next for me as an artist, a conceptual artist at my core? What do I believe in? What do I want to bring to the world? What I want to create? I learned from my Baptist minister father that rituals and religious upbringing was very important to give a sense of community, to give a sense of humility, and to give a sense of a positive future. But where's religion now? For me, it's fairly non-existent. I go to nature, I go to art. How many people go to church? Raise your hand. We got a couple, great. What can help us replace those rituals that we're missing from religion? Loneliness epidemic. Everybody have seen the stats on this? It's pretty bleak. How can we help bring people back together? Let AI do the work, we do the socializing. This is why I'm obsessed with creating new rituals for bringing people together, like this candlelit collective singing ritual at Kinnernet in a 12th century cathedral in France, or this concert design for an arena tour that I'm working on right now for a band, trying to create new rituals for fans to be able to engage with the band and with each other, to create new opportunities for connection, to eliminate loneliness, to bring us more community, give us more humility, and bring us to a new and future human. So I ask you, what do you want to create? What new rituals can you create with your friends? Shabbat dinners? Brady Ignite Talks? Can we create collective singing rituals or walking? And get ready for it, people. I predict we're headed for Summer of Love Part 2. Free time equals more play, more fun, and being together with your fellow humans. Thank you very much.